In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use QuickBooks Online projects as a nonprofit. We'll walk through a simple workflow that helps you understand the financial performance of your programs, grants, or events using the projects feature. Even though we're using the term project, you can think of it as any specific initiative you want to track separately in your organization. First, once you're logged into QuickBooks Online, look at the left-hand navigation menu. You'll see an option labeled Projects. Go ahead and click that. If you don't see it right away, it might be nested under a More or Other section, depending on your setup, but it should be there as long as Projects is enabled in your account. When the Projects page opens, you'll see a list of all the projects you've already created. These might be things like specific grants, fundraising events, or individual programs you run through your nonprofit. From this list, choose the specific project you want to review. Click on the project name to open it. This will bring you into the project's main dashboard, where you can see activity tied to that initiative. Next, inside the project view, look for the tab labeled Project Reports. This tab is where QuickBooks gathers all the reporting options that relate directly to that project. Click on Project Reports, and then select the report called Project Profitability. The Project Profitability Report works very much like a profit and loss statement, but it's focused solely on that one project. It will show you all of the income associated with the project, such as donations, grants, or event revenue, as well as all of the expenses, like supplies, salaries allocated to that project, venue costs, or marketing. At the bottom, you'll see the net result, which helps you quickly understand whether the project is running a surplus or a deficit. For a nonprofit, this is extremely helpful when you need to report back to funders, analyze the true cost of a program, or decide whether a particular initiative is financially sustainable. From this same project profitability screen, you can refine how the report looks and how it's shared. Use the Customize options to adjust the date range, change how rows are grouped, or filter specific accounts so the report lines up with your internal reporting needs or grant requirements. Once you're happy with the report, you can print it for board packets or meetings, or export it, typically as a PDF or Excel file, to share with your team, your accountant, or your funders. This way, QuickBooks Projects becomes a practical tool for transparent, project-based financial reporting in your nonprofit.